And today I am going to show you this Wahl beard trimmer that I bought from Walmart, and at a very reasonable price, only $11 something approximately, plus additional taxes. And this model was not available like in store at that price, so I ordered it online, and I'm just going to open it for you. So this is Wahl beard trimmer, and here you see the model number, part something 3224, and part number is 73572, and this is a 5-position guide here, and you are saying the extras with that. So I think there are 11 pieces, friends, with that. So I'm going to open it for you. Wahl Canada something. Let's see what's in that. This is the trimmer, friends. Blade seems to be good. That's the on off button, and this is a compartment for battery, I think. Yeah, this is a compartment for battery, and it says 2 AA kind of batteries. It's hard to open, but I'll try. And then friends will find that kind of blades. So friends, you find this thing also with that. That's a nice thing. Wahl. And there's a compartment for here, like you can put your combs here for that. And this is for your brush thing. You have a oil putting here. That's a nice thing, rack thing, small rack. And along with, you find these 5 combs. What you say that these 5. So see friends, you find all these things. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 is a 11 piece kit for your beard trimming. And blade seems to be sharp. I think this is a stainless steel. This is a compartment for 2 AA batteries, and it's a nice thing. And these are the combs for your different styles for tapering. This is a cover, I think. Here, this is a cover, and you can put there's a oil and the brush. You can apply oil and put it, and you can, like, you know, and these are the parts. You get also that instruction booklet. Is only $11 some cents, excluding taxes in Canada. And you can order it online. I've given you the model number. So hopefully you like my video, and if you want to see more videos like that, please do subscribe to my channel. And because I'm new on YouTube, but I will bring more interesting videos for you guys. So please do like it. If you don't like it, please do unlike it, but at least leave some sort of comment or subscribe it. It doesn't cost anything to you. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.